Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Premier YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product which is known as Pepe Heimer. So before starting the video I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here we are on the website of Pepe Heimer and you can check out a pre-sale is ending soon. The days left is also given here until upcoming the listing news. Down here you can check out details such as Pepe Heimer L2 blockchain. Zero fees is allowing the smallest rock to join with the help of rollups. Atomic Hammer 5 automatically farms yield under all market conditions. Gem Fusion helps Pepe Hammer holders find hidden gems with one touch. As you all know that the product is looking really good. This is a L2 blockchain project, so these projects are already into the hype, so you can participate into using Ether, Arbitrum as well as BSC chain. Also the token has been audited by solid proof and you can get participate into the Ether auction as well. So this is really a game changer. So guys, let me tell you some more details about this product. As you all know that the listing details are already confirmed. Pepe Heimer has officially confirmed their listing date is 17th of October. So guys, they have an ROI calculator already on the website, so you can see you have to enter the amount here and enter the price here at which you have bought, and you can check out your ROI as well as the amount as well. So this is really good feature, so you can estimate the returns as well. So this is really great. So let's come back to the website, and if we scroll you can check out top exchanges listing secured such as MEXC Global, Lbank, HTC, Uniswap, Bitmart, xt.com, Coinstore and many more top tier 1 exchanges from US as well as globe are onto the way of Pepe Heimer. So make sure you check it out. They are trusted by Moon Rising Star, AP Business Insider, Binance, Coin Market Cap, the Crypto News, Benzinga, and much more. So make sure you check out this amazing product because the blockchain ecosystem is really great, such as TEX, Bridge, Rollup, Staking, Atomic Hammer fires some of the features of this amazing blockchain of Pepe Heimer. Down here you can check out they also have a bridging feature as well. So make sure you get into this amazing product because it has a solid use case as well. So guys, as you all know, Ether is performing really good. It has almost gone to 5k and then it has dipped, and now currently it's up to $4,500. So the performance of Pepe Heimer will also be great because overall the crypto is performing really good. So people are finding new products, and this product has a use case, so you can expect solid returns from this pre-sale as well. So I also want to share my some personal views, such as if the price hovers to $2, realistically it could pump up to 2.5 to $4 in short term. Then it can correct back to 0.5 or even $1. But as you know, the current price is really low, so even if it dips to $1, you can get up to 100x or 500x returns because you are buying at a pre-sale price. So I also want to tell you, Pepe Heimer had already raised over $22 million. This is a strong and very big raise amount of money, so you can expect that many of the VCs and big companies are into this product. So make sure you participate into it. As you all know, the current price is 0.015. If listing is done at 0.5, it is expected to be done at 2.5, but let's suppose it's done at 0.5, then you get 33x. If it reaches $2, then you get 133x ROI. So this is really good. So as I had already told you, the exchanges they are going to list on, you can see MEXC as well. Some many big exchanges are on board with the Pepe Heimer. So I also want to tell you about their 1000 Ether auction program. As you know, it runs for 10 weeks, 100 Ether price pool for each week. So top 10 refer every week share. This price resets on every Monday, so this is really good. So I also want to tell you how it works. So it's basically if you invite your friends and family into the pre-sale, then you come on to the top of the table and then you can participate into this Ether reward pool. So this is really good. So let me tell you about the rules of the winning of 100 Ether. So here we come on to the week 1, and here you can check out all of the rankings. So here are top 10 rankings as well. So let's check out the top one. Let's click here and it will open the Ether scan, and it told us that this person had got 15.5 0.5 for ether because he had invited friends and family into the product and share it onto the media using his own referral link. So you had to connect and then get the referral link and copy, and then you can become part of this event as well. So this is really good. So also I want to tell you that it will reset with every Monday. So you come to the week 2, and here is the week 2, and you can check out the details as well. Every week it will change. So this is really good. So make sure you participate into this amazing event and win the ether as well. I also want to tell you about their roadmap as well as future plans, such as soon launching demo AI tools, game changing move combining meme coin culture plus DeFi. Also, I want to tell you about internal source suggest Pepe Heimer may secure a major investment to build DeFi infrastructure, making Pepe Heimer truly unique. It is already having a lot of use cases, but still they are not stopping there. They are improving day by day. So this is really good. So I also want to tell you right now is the perfect entry point because this is currently the pre-sale price. They have different type of stages. The current price is 0.015. You can expect solid returns. You can see the listing can be done at 0.5 or $1 or $2. So you can expect solid returns from just listing as well. It is the listing will be done on 17th of October. So guys, make sure you buy it at current price. You automatically get 100% PP Heimer bonus. No code is needed. If you come right now, you can get 100% PP Heimer bonus as well. Also, you can get Ether auction pool right now. It is a great benefit for you. Also, it is a really great product. It's a life changing product as well. So make sure you do some on research as well. If you like the product, make sure you join their social media handles and check out their website as well. Make sure you read out their white paper. This product is looking really good. Make sure you join all of their social media handles. The developers of the product are also active there. So make sure you join. If you like the product, participate into the pre-sale and do some on research as well. I'm not a financial advisor. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.